Giggles and grapes.
Hi juniors! Let's have some fun with the straws today. We will be making a painting with the help of straws. Without any delay, let's go. First we will cut the straws to make a fan out of it. You can choose your length as per your choice. Remember, use sharp objects under adult supervision. Likewise, cut multiple times and make sure the length is almost the same. Now fan it out. Do the same with other straws, but make sure the lengths are different. Remember, use sharp objects under adult supervision. After cutting into the straw, fan it out. We are done now. Let's head forward to the fun part. Choose your favorite colors to paint with. I am using red, orange, and yellow. Now choose one of the straws and dip it into the water. Dab the straw into the paint and then dab it onto the paper. You can make circular movements while dabbing the straw to achieve a flower shape. Watch closely. Use different straws to make different sizes. You can use more paints too. More the paints, more the fun. Beautiful flowers patterns. Now, let's use a brush to paint the branches and leaves. You can use your creativity here. It's all coming together. I am painting simple leaves. You can make more complex designs too. There is no limitation in arts. That's what I love about it the most. It's done. Beautiful and colorful. Use the straws to paint yours and don't forget to share it with me.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.